Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm standing in front of a 2025 Mastercraft NXT23. This boat has our traditional bow design, has full gray hull color with a black metal flake accent. This boat does include the trailer with the purchase. We have our ZR4 folding tower. It's quick release with clamping board racks, integrated bimini top, and 2 tower speakers. Come around to the back, let me show you a little bit about the surf system. This boat is equipped with the Mastercraft's new Surf Star surf system. Produces an excellent wave, but still has a great ride for everyday cruising and water sports. We've got the fiberglass swim platform on it. And then all new for 2025 is the walk-through transom. Come on inside, let me show you some more features. Here's our traditional bow that I was telling you about. It's a nice wrapped around bow. Lots of room for all your friends up front. A couple of clip speakers, portable cup holders, and grab rails. As you walk around, we've got the full wraparound seat, reversible transom seat that will rear face. Here's how easy it is to lower our towers. That's it. No pins or screws to pull, just quick releases. This boat does have the 7-inch user interface with all presets for surfing, wakeboarding, and skiing. And we did a couple nice comfortable features on this boat too. We do have the heater system on it and the air dam walk-through to give you nice, good fall cruising weather. And removable decadence flooring. Please come out and see this boat at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you.